Hello students, let us continue the series. See question number 16. Total number of electrons present in the oxide ion is 1.2 into 10 raised to 22. Then the number of moles of the oxide ion present is. Let us first calculate the total number of electrons present in the oxide one. So in oxygen, atomic number is 8. So its original 8 electrons are present. Now it is in the oxide form, that is O2 minus. So the total number of electrons will be 8 plus 2, that is 10 electrons in this oxide ion. Right students? Now you know that the total number of electrons they are asking here is 1.2 into 10 raised to 22. So let us make an equation, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. This will correspond to 1 mole of electron according to our standard equation. Therefore, for 1.2 into 10 raised to 22, how many electrons will be present? So for this it will be 1.2 into 10 raised to 22 divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So this will come to 0.2 into 10 raised to minus 1. Right students? This is for 1 electron. For how many electrons we have in the oxide ion? 10 electrons. And therefore for 10 electrons it will be how much? This value multiplied by 10. So it will be 0.2 into 10 raised to minus 1 into 10. So that answer will be 0.2 mole, or it will be 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 mole. So answer here is first option. Let's see next question. Ratio of number of protons to neutrons in 3.011 into 10 raised to 22 molecules of D3O plus will be. Now students, you know that hydrogen has 3 isotopes, that is normal hydrogen, then you have deuterium and the tritium. If you see the number of protons and neutrons here, this will have 1 and 1 mass to charge, this will have 2 and 1, and this has 3 and 1. Hydrogen is the only element where there are no neutrons, but in deuteron there is 1 neutron. So here they have given this as D3O. So let us see for oxygen. If you calculate for oxygen, the number of protons and neutrons, they are 8 and 8 each, right? But for this deuterium, if I calculate, there is 1 proton and 1 neutron. So the ratio is always 1:1, and therefore the answer here will be second option, that is 1, because the ratio will be always fixed, that is 1:1 in case of deuteron. See the next question. The ratio of masses of oxygen to nitrogen in a particular gaseous mixture. Now the ratio what they are giving is of oxygen is to nitrogen. They are in the ratio 1:4. Right student? Our simple formula, the ratio to the number of moles you can get. What is number of moles is equal to? Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. We will use the same formula in the same ratio. Right? Now what will be that? Let us first take for oxygen. So the formula here will be mass of oxygen upon molar mass of oxygen. The ratio is given mass of nitrogen to molar mass of nitrogen. Simple formula. Let us simplify this. Given mass of oxygen upon molar mass of oxygen multiplied by molar mass of nitrogen upon given mass of nitrogen. Right students? Now you know the ratio is 1:4. So let us multiply this. This will be 1/4 into molar mass of nitrogen, you know it is 28, and molar mass of oxygen also you know that is 32. So they will give you the ratio, that is 7/32. So the answer here is fourth option, 7:32. See the next question student. Arrange the following in order of increasing masses. Now if I want to convert them to increasing masses, first I have to convert all the given options in their corresponding masses. So let us see the first option. They have given 3.0115 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Of what student? Of P4. Mass of 1 phosphorus is how much? 31. There are P4 means this is white phosphorus which has the formula of P4. It occurs in the tetrahedral form. So this mass will be equal to 124 gram. Right students? But if I take 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, that is normal Avogadro number, then only it will occupied by 124 gram. How many mole molecules they have taken here is exactly half of this. right students? So what will be the mass here? That will be 62 gram. So I have converted the first option in mass, that is 62 gram. Come to the second option. They have given 10 moles of hydrogen. 1 mole of hydrogen means how many gram? 2 gram. Therefore for 10 moles it will be how much student? It will be 20 gram. I got the second option also converted to mass. Come to the third one. They have given 1 gram molecule of anhydrous added to CO3. Anhydrous means there is no water of crystallization. So what will be 1 gram molecule mass of added to CO3? What it will be students? This will be 23 into 2, that is 46, plus carbon is 12 plus 16 into 3. If you make the total out of this will come to 106 gram. So I have converted this also in mass. See the fourth option. They have given 33.6 liter of carbon dioxide. We know that molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram. So if I say 44 gram of carbon dioxide is there, then it must occupy a volume of 22.4 dm cube, right students? From our standard equation. So for 33.6 liter or dm cube, it will be how many grams students? 66 point, it will be nearly 66 gram we will take nearly. So here the answer is 66 gram. Now what they are asking you? They are asking you to arrange them in the increasing masses. If I see increasing masses, this will be your first one, that is second option. Then it will be 62 gram, that is your first option. Then it will be your 66 gram, so it will be fourth option, and then third. So according, if I see here, the answer is first option, right students? Second, then first, then fourth, and then third. So answer here is first option. See the next question. Arrange the following in the decreasing masses. Now students, if I want the masses, I should directly go for their atomic weights. Now what is the first one they have given? 1 fluorine atom. Second is 1 nitrogen atom. Third is 1 oxygen atom. And last is 1 hydrogen atom. Let us calculate their masses. Fluorine atomic mass is 19 gram. So this will be 19 gram. 1 nitrogen atom is 14 gram. 1 oxygen atom is 16 gram, and this will be 1 gram. What they are asking you? You have to arrange them in decreasing order. So fluorine will be first. So it will be first, right? Then it will be oxygen, that is third option will be there. Then it will be nitrogen, and then it will be hydrogen. So which option is there students? Answer is, let us check the answer here. So answer is third option, right students? So I hope you like this video. So please share it with your friends and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you students.